Conscious Spirit, Holy Spirit of God, what message do you have for the chosen one today? Nature spirits, I respect all of nature's elemental beings and help preserve life on earth. Fairies and elves, and if you believe it, then they do exist. But what we do learn from this is to appreciate our natural environment. Without nature, we cannot be. It is important that when we think about ourselves, we think about our environment simultaneously. Because everything is connected. Something that we do will have an impact on our environment. So, I respect all of nature's elemental beings and help preserve life on earth. Maybe they are whispering in your ear to start that vegetable garden or to purify your own rainwater. No? We need more self-reliance.